in order to find out how species evolve, we need to know who are the closest relatives. And in order to do that, one can look at traits and figure out, oh, maybe these ones have similar traits, they look similar, so maybe they're closely related. But sometimes nature can really fool us, like some of the butterflies we study. They look very alike, even if they're very distantly related, because they mimic each other, because the birds learn to avoid eating them, and so they all look very alike. And it's very hard to figure out who is related with whom. And if we sequence their genomes, it's very easy because we can see those that are genetically more similar are more closely related. In the genomes, we can also see which genes are under selection, for instance, or we can see are the specific regions in the genome where introgression happened, which means that there was some interbreeding at some point in the past, and genetic variation from one species got into the other species through interbreeding. And we can also look at the chromosomes. Do they have similar chromosomes? Do they have different chromosomes? And perhaps if they have different chromosomes, might that contribute to the evolution of new species? And we can also use the genomes to infer if in the past there was interbreeding or not, and if currently there is still interbreeding or not. So it really, like, on so many different ways, and I could go on and on.